In this video, I'm going to show you how to see Roblox transactions. So the first thing you want to do is of course go to roblox.com, and that's the official website, and on their website you want to first log in to your account. As you can see, I'm logged into my account and we can now proceed. What you want to do is click up here on where this Roblox icon is, and you want to click on it and click on my transactions, and you want to click this. And once you're in here, as you can see the summary of everything you have purchased inside Roblox. So over here, you can leave this as summary because it's the only option. And in here where it says date range, you can select if you want to see the transactions in the past day, in the past 7 days, so what you've bought in the past week, in the past 30 days, so what you've bought in the past month, or if you want to see everything you've bought in the past year, you can do that as well. Now, as you can see, I've spent 0 Robux in this time period, but in case you have spent something and you have any transactions that have been done, you will be able to see them all in here. I hope this video helped you out.